Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening OneNote and getting straight to proofing options. This saves time. Once in File Options, choose Proofing because that's where the red underline toggle lives. Make sure you note whether you're on OneNote for Windows 10 or OneNote 2016, since menus change. If you're on a managed PC, confirm you have permission to change settings first. Now, keep that window open. The next steps will switch off live spell checking and adjust language so changes stick. You're going to uncheck the live spell checkbox. This removes red underlines immediately. After unchecking, check spelling as you type. Make sure the proofing language matches the text you use, because mismatched language causes persistent underlines. Once done, also look for grammar or style checkboxes and disable them if they underline words incorrectly. If you changed language settings, apply them to the current notebook or selection, so OneNote doesn't reapply the old language on sync. You'll finish by restarting OneNote and letting it sync. That forces the app to refresh spellcheck behavior. If underlines persist, sign out then sign back in, or clear the OneNote cache because stale data can reapply old settings. Make sure any third-party spell checkers or add-ins are disabled, and if you're in an enterprise environment, check group policy. It can lock proofing options. If nothing works, the key troubleshooting tip: test the same steps in a new notebook to isolate a notebook-specific setting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.